Breaking the wall of oil spills. Yara Marei, Falling Walls Lab, Jordan.
Every day, we have 31 billion gallons transported by sea. From these 31 billion, there is 100 million spilled over the sea, causing many environmental effects that we are aware about it. And also, oil companies pays a lot of money as losses and fines for governments because they are taking this offshores out of tourism and out of fishing mariculture. So all of these activities are stopped during the oil spills. So if we are considering this mind map is not just a normal consequence of problems caused by oil spills. It's actually every point of this mind map represents a building blocks of the wall of oil spills that we are going to break today through my project, Z-Enviroil. Many others try to break this wall, but they have failed because they are taking a lot of a duration and the cost is so high. But Z-Enviroil, the key point is that we are retrieving oil. We are not losing this oil with the least possible cost in the world to retrieve this oil. It's about $25 per 1 liter, and other processes, it's for burning oil or getting rid of oil using bacteria or chemical dispersants. It's cost about $200 per 1 liter, $200 per 1 liter. So this is achievable through my project Z-Enviroil through a special kind of stones called zolitic tuff. Zolitic tuff has a special polarity for oil rather than water. So this net, special net of zolitic tuff with nanoparticles of zolitic tuff, it absorbs oil without water. We can just put this net over the sea and it will absorb the whole amount of oil spill. Later, there is some modifications for many different products. So I ask you to scan this code to know more about the modifications so that it will work as a warning system. In addition, it will be attached to the tankers and also it will be attached to any industry that use oil in its pipes. So we can see that here we have a warning system through the pipes in industries. And here's the desorbing device. We can take the oil back from the net after getting this net. So here is the device, but I can't hold it at Berlin. Here is the stages of building up my device. The device is to take the oil back from the net. This is for treatment because this net is reusable. And we break the wall of oil spills because these bricks are created to be a road that we will step in, not a wall that we limited by. Thank you.